Well, hello, how are you doing? We're going to go ahead and begin with our very first session on how to start in just a moment. But before we go anywhere and we continue, I just want to remind you that my contact information is right there. You can reach out to me at any time. And then I've also included, if you look down here, there is a link to the help section of easyclass.com. And so I want to show that to you very quickly. And if you just go to the website, easyclass.com, you can see it up at the top, and then click on the help section right there. It's going to take you to this page where there will be instructor account help and student account help. So that actually helps you in knowing where to go really quick. It's going to be a lot of the same information that I'm going to go over, and it will be of help to you. So make sure that you make that, make a note of that right there real quick. Okay, so let's go ahead and let's get into what we're going to be talking about and how we're going to be going and doing things. And I'm going to go ahead and leave the helpline up there on the bottom left corner of your screen so that you can always have access to it. So our very first thing is how to start, and what'll really be cool for you is to go to easyclass.com. Once you make it to easyclass.com, you can go ahead, if you'd like, and go ahead and watch this video. It's just about a 2-minute video that kind of lets you know what EasyClass is if you want. But you are going to go here to Instructors Free Sign Up. This is for you as an instructor. Very important that you sign up as an instructor and not a student, okay? So you'll click on Instructor Free Sign Up. This is all the information that is needed. So please, 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 just know that we're not going to take up tons of information. We just need to know first name, last name, email, gender, and then you set your own password. Now, I do recommend that you open up a brand new Gmail account for use with LBCJ. Some of the benefits are that you get a dedicated email account, but also you will be within the platform, the G Suite platform for document creation, which is what we're telling our students to use. And this is our preferred application suite for the school. Plus, with Gmail, we all know that it's extremely secure. The only real con to it is that you're going to have to track yet another email account. And so that's just about it. But once you go ahead and you open your account, and I'm not going to go ahead and go through the whole thing, but you can kind of see it's pretty cut and dry. And I'll just use my personal email on here. I've already got an account with this on here. And once you go through and fill everything out and you click register, it will then create your account. Now, once your account is open, please send me an email notification that you've opened your account. And send me the email that you use. If you'd like to, just send it to me through that email account. That will help. I will then send you an invitation to join the school. Okay, so you're creating your own account on your own. I will then bring you into the school, and then you'll receive an acceptance. Once you log in, you'll reach your dashboard, which is where we're going to next in the overview, and you will need to accept the invitation to the course. Okay, so when you've got all of that done, we'll assign you as a course instructor, and you are good to go.